Hey Tiffin owners, my name is Alan Bridges and I have the privilege to serve Tiffin Motorhomes as VP of Service Operations. Over the next couple of weeks, my managers and I will be doing a video series explaining to you some of the strategic programs that we've put in place to better serve you. At Tiffin Motorhomes, we're committed not only to quality manufacturing of our RVs, but creating unforgettable journeys. We understand that when you invest in an RV, you're investing in experiences, memories, and a lifestyle. That's why we're committed to providing more than just a product. We're dedicated to delivering unparalleled customer service. To that end, here at the Bob Tiffin Service Center, we've implemented a few strategic programs designed to give you, our owners, multiple service options, such as a formal customer drop-off program and a call-ahead queue option. For more information on these programs, we encourage you to visit our website, click on Resources, select Owners, and visit our Bob Tiffin Service Center page. What's more, we've added support for owners by extending our operations to maintain your RV after the warranty period by servicing RVs as far back as 2015 models. We can also assist with insurance issues or any other that might occur during the time of your ownership. The Bob Tiffin Service Center is equipped with state-of-the-art paint and body shop that houses skilled and seasoned technicians inside 10 paint booths. We have a total of 48 bays staffed with skilled and certified team members that come in and day out with one purpose: to uphold the legacy that Bob Tiffin has built in the RV industry, serving our customers.
They took the extra mile that no one else would have taken to make sure that we're happy with this coach. I like to tell people when things go great. I like to tell people when things are not so great. And after that first service experience we had with them, I wrote a lengthy letter to Bob telling him these guys did great, they were fantastic, they did this, 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 and this. And I get a call back from Bob after he gets the letter. And he says, I don't normally get letters like this, so I really appreciate getting a nice letter like that. But then afterwards, when you see Bob, he remembers you because you're part of the Tiffin family.
Because for us, it's not just about manufacturing quality RVs. It's about transforming travel into an extraordinary experience for you and your loved ones. The Bob Tiffin Service Center, where exceptional customer service meets unforgettable adventures.